In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a custom HTML email with Constant Contact. By the end, you'll know how to get your HTML into the platform, preview it with confidence, and send a clean test before you share it with your audience. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you're signing into the right workspace if you manage multiple brands. It helps to confirm you have the correct permissions to send emails from this account so you don't run into last-minute access issues. Next, create a new email campaign or open an existing draft. If you're starting fresh, choose email as your campaign type and give it a clear descriptive name so you can easily find it later. If you already have a draft in progress, open it from your campaigns list to continue where you left off. Now choose the custom code or HTML option if it's available in your account. Depending on your plan or interface, it might be labeled custom code, custom HTML, or something similar. This mode is designed for people who already have email-ready HTML and want full control over the layout, styles, and content without using a drag-and-drop template. Paste your HTML code into the editor. It's best if your HTML is already formatted for email clients, which often means using tables for layout and inlining your CSS. Make sure all images are hosted over HTTPS and that links are absolute URLs so nothing breaks. If your code includes images or fonts, confirm that those resources are publicly accessible. If you're pasting from a code editor, quickly scan for stray characters or smart quotes that can slip in from word processors and cause formatting issues. Preview the email to check layout, images, and links. Use the platform's desktop and mobile previews to ensure your design is responsive and readable on smaller screens. Look for spacing, inconsistencies, alignment issues, and any text that might be too small to tap on mobile. Click through every link to confirm they go to the right pages and verify that images load quickly and aren't distorted. Finally, send a test email before sending it to your contacts. Send it to a couple of different inboxes you can access so you can see how it renders in various email apps. Check the from name and reply to address, confirm tracking parameters if you use them, and scan for typos. If everything looks good in your test, you're ready to proceed with your regular send process. That's it. Your custom HTML email is ready to go in Constant Contact.